24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is floating at $124,487,736 in a huge manner, ADA down roughly 1.57% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours. Amazingly, Cardano's EMA10 basically shows a very descending pattern in a quite enormous manner. Cardano especially shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in a sort of large manner. 21 September 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters, is transient cost expectation for Cardano, explicitly is ADAN in every practical sense. Wise interest in an unobtrusive manner, Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth in a sort of significant manner, be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the ADA specialized investigation, really let us fundamentally discuss the especially current economic situations, which essentially is very critical. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,054,588,025,469, exhibiting that Cardano support and obstruction levels, and so forth in a very significant manner. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $30,136,343,183, which in every practical sense shows that market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,054,588,025,469, exhibiting that Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on. Kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is genuinely critical, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level, after a decay of 1.61%, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 1.51, and as of now exchanging at 51 cents. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely huge way. These occasions fundamentally show that the market in a real sense is going in an extremely descending heading for present moment, which certainly is very huge. As of now, an essentially broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the ADA specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the really current economic situations, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano truly is floating at $124,487,736 in an essentially significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more fundamentally dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is very critical. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers truly move extremely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Pretty further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA truly has recorded a downtrend, losing 1.57% in large most recent 24 hours, genuinely further appearance. how the sort of complete exchanging volume especially remains at $30,136,343,183, which by and large shows that market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,054,588,025,469, exhibiting that Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The very current worth of Cardano generally is floating at 25 cents, with the exchanging volume of $124,487,736 United States dollars, and the equivalent time period. Sort of additional appearance, how Cardano really shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which generally is very critical. The kind of generally market cap for ADA basically is $8,716,418,791 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 0.31% over the course of the week in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 21 September 2023, Insight and Everyday Time Span, certainly made sense of underneath. Especially further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, basic moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to basically break down the future development of the Cardano. So support really is a level at which purchasers for the most part become commonly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The ADA United States dollar moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, pointer, certainly is showing a sort of present moment, truly sell truly signal, as the MACD line in every practical sense is moving underneath, sort of sign line which generally implies certainly bears truly are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that XRP the for the most part local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere near 1.51. And as of now exchanging at 51 cents in a sort of significant manner, while ADA's Williams %R pointer generally is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal basically is conceivable at this reach, showing how XRP the kind of local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 1.51. And as of now exchanging at 51 cents, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13.